Hey guys, what's up? Um, I had a request to make a really long train since most of my trains I make aren't really that long because of my grade and the layout, so I can't really make long trains because they don't stay together. But with all the extra tracks I had, and I just put them on the ground so there's no grade at all, and just made a big giant oval, goes all the way around. But and a little extra turnouts and stuff there. But that I made, I put all my cars that I have on the train right now, and 3 of my engines. The only cars I didn't put on were these coal cars right here, because 2 of them are broken from my cats. They broke the trucks, and the couplers off this one right here. And then these 4 right here, the couplers are bad on them, so I gotta fix those, get new couplers. And then these 2 Santa Fe engines I was planning on using as DPUs, but I'm not going to use them now because I don't want to. It just makes the train derail even more. But the Santa Fe engines don't pull them very good, so, kind of bummed about that. But can't do those. I'm not putting that one on. And then my chassis system, the engine messed up, so can't really do nothing with that one right now until I fix it. But alright, let's see. Alright, let's see, get over here at least. And, hopefully it'll stay together. But the train is going to come out onto the main line, stop, back up, hook up to the train, and then go forward again. Hopefully it will all stay together and won't derail, but we'll see. Alright, here we go. Couple unit, alright. Alright, here we go. Hopefully it will all stay together. And it already came apart. Alright. You know what, I'm just gonna take this one out right now because the couplers are probably bad on that one, that's why. This is a really, really heavy train right now. Alright, here we go, getting close to high. Once again. Alright, hang on. Alright, get out of here, cat. What are you doing? Get out of here. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on here. I'm just gonna put one on right now. But keeps derailing for some reason. Or not derailing, but uncoupling. Guess it's just too heavy. Something. But I'll take the caboose off and then hook it to the back. The Santa Fe engine. There we go. Alright, I'll put it over here now, so you guys can see the whole train, and if it stays together. Alright, here we go. Third time. This is a, let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. It's a 28 car train and 4 engines, and I took 2 cars out. One of the cars just derailed. There we go, fixed it. Oh. Derailment. Just push these 2 cars off. Yeah. This one derailed right here. This one derailed, and this one just pushed it, and they both went like that, and then yeah. But just leave those 2 off right now. Alright. One more time. See if I can just let it go by itself. So I took 1, 2, 3 cars off, I guess, because they weren't working right, but still, that's a pretty big train for what I usually run. And I'll show you how close they are. But yeah. It's about as big as it'll get. The cars that I don't usually run are these Union Pacific stock cars, because they're out of date. They're like from the 60s maybe. I don't use those, and I don't run these flat cars and the intermodal cars very much either, because I don't have enough of them. But yeah, every other car I really just run on a daily basis, pretty much. Ohio Southern asked me if I weathered any more cars, and I weathered that CSX one right there, and I think it turned out pretty good. I don't know if I showed you guys this one either, but I re-weathered this one right here, North Fork and Western car, put a patch on it, and weathered it again. It went from looking like this to look like that, and then I re-weathered this one too. It's not as much on there, and still haven't done anything with my coal cars. They look crappy right now.